Once upon a time, in a faraway land, there lived a kind and wise cat named Lord Business. Lord Business was known for his gentle purrs and his magical golden collar. It shimmered in the sunlight, and people said it was enchanted. One day, Lord Business noticed a group of kittens who were feeling sad and lost. They had lost their home and needed a place to stay. Lord Business, with his compassionate heart, decided to help. He told the kittens, "Don't worry, my little friends. I will find you a new home." The kittens followed Lord Business through the forest, trusting him with all their hearts. They crossed rivers and climbed hills, but they never lost hope. Soon, they came across a beautiful, cozy house with a warm fire inside. "This will be our new home," said Lord Business. The kittens were overjoyed and grateful. They played and purred, grateful for Lord Business's kindness. From that day forward, Lord Business became their protector, their friend, and their home. They learned that kindness can bring hope and happiness to those in need. As the sun set, Lord Business and the kittens snuggled together, ready for a peaceful night's sleep. They knew that together, they had found a new home and a new family. And so, the story of Lord Business and the kittens became a legend in the land, a tale of kindness, compassion, and the power of friendship. The end.